You are attending computer coding class. Please like and subscribe my channel.
Welcome. Today we will learn how to extract text from an HTML file using regular expression in Python. For this operation, we will use re library package. I have already installed re package. My Python version is 3.7 and I am using Anaconda Spider as an editor. Let's start programming. First of all, I am going to show you the HTML file from which we will extract the text. The name of HTML file is my.html and re2html is the blank Python file. Both are in same folder. Next, I run the HTML file in a Chrome browser. This is the HTML file with 2 lines. In this program, we will open HTML file in text only format, then identify all HTML tags. Next, we will replace all these HTML tags with blank space. Next, we will remove all blank space. In this way, we will get only text of the HTML file. For finding a specific occurrence of a pattern and then replace that pattern with another string, I am using re.sub function with regular expression. Next, we will open the Spider editor and start programming. In first line, I am going to import re library package. Next, in second line, we will open our HTML file in read only mode. Here I am not specifying any path of HTML file because both source code file and my HTML file both are in same folder, so there is no need. Next, read all the text of the HTML file and then save that text in a string whose name is also text. Next, print this new string text and then run the program. In output window, it is showing the HTML file in text only format from which we will scrape only text and remove all the text. In next line, we will apply re.sum function for filtering our text. Here filter underscore text is a string. Next, we will write re.sub. Next, in parenthesis, first of all we will write r. Here r means row text. Next, in single quotes, we will write our pattern. Here we want to find the pattern of all HTML tags that are enclosed with less than and greater than braces. So we will write both the braces and in between these braces we wrote wildcard characters. Wildcard characters are dot star and question mark that will show all the occurrence of HTML hypertext. Second argument is a blank space which we will replace with HTML text, and third argument is our text. This function will identify all the occurrence of HTML text and then replace that HTML text with blank space. Next, we will print our filter text and run the program. In output window, it is showing our scraped text. Although we have extract all the text, but still this text has some blank spaces. So we will have to trim that spaces. For trimming blank and white spaces, I am using strip function that works same as ltrim and rtrim function that will remove all the blank spaces from the text. Next, run the program, and in output window it is showing the filtered text without any blank space. In this way you can scrape the text from any big HTML file also. If you like this tutorial, kindly subscribe us.